I have the eye of the eagle. I miss nothing. Gott im Himmel! What is that? Ah! Heimlich, are you crazy? There's something going on in that house. See for yourself and then call me crazy. Yeah, you are crazy. What? Give me that! Ah! It is a maniac! Halt! Enough! We are going over there, and we will prove once and for all to this little piggy there's nothing going on!
Ja, und when we return, we will make what the I told you so.
Horst, look out! Look behind you, Ah! Bonjour! Oh, my stars! Another little piggy! What do you want from me? Oh, I want you for dinner! Buckle up, buttercup! Why is it always screaming with you?
Oh, are you going to eat this?
What's going on here?
Dinner?
Oh, yeah. Oh, the Fräulein makes the best everything. But what about you?
You guys didn't see me doing anything weird, did you?
You were acting like the cuckoo without the clock. You buried the box of knives in the
You
ground.
turned into this big fat lady and cooked us food.
Yeah, that one. You guys better get out of here.
Oh, but everything is so delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, trust me. You guys don't want to be here for one.
My main course! Stuffed piggies in a blanket!